In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Microsoft Teams background theme. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see here, I'm on a dark background. I can change it to light theme, or if I'm on light theme, I'll show you how you can change it to dark theme. To do this, log into your Microsoft Teams account and then head over to people here. From people, now you should see a settings gear. From this, go to appearance. Now under appearance, you can see the first option is theme. Currently, Microsoft Teams is using my default computer theme. As you can see, it is following operating system theme. To change this, just click on drop down and you can change this either to light theme, dark theme, or high contrast theme. So if I click on light theme, now you can see I've switched to light theme, and I can as well do vice versa. So that's how you can change your theme on Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.